Hello and welcome back for another Gala Games price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Gala Games chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And yesterday I said to you that I was expecting a lot of volatility in this market as a result of the CPI data, which came out being positive to the market. And as a result of that, we had a very brief spike here on the Gala Games chart, where you can see that we were able to put in place a high at around the $0.02298 mark. And as a result, and after the CPI, we had a bit of a pullback here on the charts. And you can see at the time of this recording, we're also trying to continue gearing up. And we are holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And today is also a very important day when I'm expecting a lot of volatility once more as a result of the PPI data and the FOMC meeting. And these are two fundamental news that are also going to give us a lot of volatility in the market. And there are chances that ahead of these two fundamental news, we might see a bit of a spike to the upside, reacting to those news here on the charts. And here on the Gala Games chart, on the 1-hour chart, I can spot a chart pattern that we are trading within, which is an ascending channel. And if I draw it out on the charts, we can have that as the upper side of the channel. Then we have the lower side of the channel like that. And this is a chart pattern that has more than 3 touch points. And this is a bullish chart pattern that breaks to the upper side. And there are chances that as a result of the PPI data and the FOMC meeting, we might see a breakout out of this chart pattern to the upper side. And once that happens, we can expect maybe to see a successful retest or maybe a straight move to the upper side before we can continue gearing up and continue seeing higher prices, where Gala Games could possibly get above the $0.02616 mark once more. So that is the move that we need to keep our eyes on here on the Gala Games chart. If the PPI and the FOMC has a positive impact, we are going to see that massive breakout to the upside, getting us above the $0.025 mark or maybe the $0.02616 mark. That is a move that we need to have in mind. And also have in mind that the CPI, the PPI, and the FOMC can still have a negative impact. And we also need to be prepared for such a scenario. And in case such a move plays out, that is, in case we get negative impact, we can then expect maybe to get a breakout out of this channel to the lower side, where maybe we could even get a successful retest. And I hope that we don't get a reset of the low that we made last week after seeing the massive sell-off, in case there is a negative impact. And I hope we continue holding within the channel in case there is a negative impact. That is the other move that we can expect on the worst case scenario. Gala Games, in terms of the ED12 structures, we also have an ED12 structure that I still have here on the charts, which is on the 4-hour chart. So jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, you can see that Gala Games, after giving us the December lows, we saw a 5-wave move to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.063 mark, completing the formation of that larger ED wave count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger ED wave count 2, where we have been breaking down in this ABC corrective structure minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this blue target area that I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is an area that lies between the $0.0391 mark and the $0.02524 mark. and since we have fully maximized this target area, there are chances that the low for this wave 2 is in, though I still have issues with this Elliot wave count since we lost the fib level 0.78, though we are still holding above the fib level 0.88, and there are still I still have the benefit of doubt for this Elliot wave structure, where we could see that Gala games could start another impulse to the upside in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 3. And to confirm to us that we are back in the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 3, I'll be expecting Gala games to give us a 5 wave move to the upside, followed by an ABC corrective structure. Then we can continue gearing up. In case we see such a move, that will be enough confirmation that the low for that wave 2 is in, and that we have started an impulse in that wave 3. And once you see such a move, then we can watch out for a break above significant highs here on the charts. And in case we are able to break above significant highs and also continue seeing that impulsive move to the upside, that would be a very good move to the upside in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3. So that is what I'm expecting on the short-term point of view and also on the long-term point of view, where I'm expecting a lot of volatility today as a result of the PPI and the FOMC meeting, which could give us a bit of another spike above the $0.025 mark. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 48 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.